Over the past year, investing has become a critical part of mainstream culture. GameStop, AMC, DOGE. It seems like every day there's a new stock or coin that someone is promoting. Your random cousin has made millions from buying Shiba last year, and you're just left wondering how. How is this even possible? Earlier this year, I recorded a podcast with two of my favorite investors, Ehrsam from Paradigm and Jesse Walden from Variant. In this podcast, Jesse said something that really stuck with me. He said,
investing in culture, and culture is investing, but just is a team sport that you play with your friends on the internet, and that's like totally normal.
Let me repeat that back. Investing is now a team sport. I actually think that's a perfect articulation of the madness that is happening in the stock market and crypto. For GameStop, it was the retail investors coordinating as a team to compete against the big hedge funds, while DOGE was something that was just memed into reality. Historically, investing has been a very personal thing. You would rarely share your trades or holdings publicly. However, now that people finally realize that they can create value when they coordinate as a team, the entire landscape of investing has changed forever. WallStreetBets was the first real investment team, but it's clear that many more teams are forming. In Web3, we're actually seeing this taken to a whole new level with something called a DAO. DAO is short for Decentralized Autonomous Organizations. I'll spare you the full definition and use case for DAOs, but for the purpose of this video, I would think of DAOs as a crypto-native way for groups and teams to operate. One emerging use case for DAOs is actually investment clubs, where these groups pool resources and coordinate with a shared objective. For example, a DAO was recently formed with the sole purpose of trying to purchase a copy of the US Constitution. The DAO started as a small team, but quickly snowballed into something much bigger. Within just 1 week of launching the DAO, they raised close to $50 million. Although they didn't win the auction, I actually think this is a perfect example of how investing is starting to become a team sport. Thousands of individuals contributed and collaborated towards achieving a shared goal. Another example of this might actually just be NFT profile picture projects. There's some clear tribalism with these profile picture projects. When you change your profile picture to a CryptoPunk or a Bored Ape, you're signaling that you're part of the same team as everyone else. We are still in the early stages of this new world, but my mind continues to race with the possibilities of how things will evolve over the next decade. I often find myself questioning how this might even impact my own job as a venture capitalist. In the future, will VC funds be structured as DAOs instead? I'm honestly not sure, but I'm really excited for the future. As always, please like and subscribe as I continue to learn in public and share it with all of you.